Hey guys, so you are seeing me at 7 o'clock. I'm currently making dinner. I'm just frying some chicken with turmeric. So in Malay, it's ayam goreng lah. I made vegetable paprik again. So yeah, having that for dinner. I'm also watching the semi-finals of League of Legends. EULCS. So yep. Alright guys, so it seems like it's going to be a very short vlog today because what I've been doing today is I made lunch and dinner. I've been editing. I've uploaded one of them, but because the vlog from Saturday was extremely long, it is 15 minutes long. It took me like 4 hours to edit, export and upload it. It took forever to actually finish, and it's finally up on YouTube. So right now I'm going to be editing Sunday's vlog, which might probably take even longer because there's going to be a lot of fast forward, and that takes quite a while to export files. That when you alter the speed and the original, basically if you change the original video into something else, even tweaking it a little bit, changing the color or something like that, it would take even longer to export. So yeah, that's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'm going to bed. Tomorrow we're going to go grocery shopping with Celine, cause I ran out of everything from my fridge. As you can see, it's basically empty. I just have cheese left. Alright, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a wonderful day. Be good. Always have a video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.